This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maite Martinez. Welcome to this beautiful, recently built, 2-story townhome in Madison Place. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Open floor plan with kitchen, living room and half bathroom on the first floor. Master bedroom is located on second floor with walk-in closet. Laundry closet is on the second floor as well as the other 2 bedrooms. All kitchen and laundry appliance are top of the line. Community includes a pool and playgrounds. Madison Place is located 3 minutes away from Publix Supermarket, shopping centers, Advent Health among other. Easy access to major highways like I-4, US 27 and 429. This rental won't last, schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.